Hi friends, I wanted to make this video for you so that you had a better understanding of how to use your Math in Focus website account. Okay, so first to get to this Math in Focus website, you need to toggle to the very top left corner of your computer screen, which you can't see in my recording, but it's right above where I'm pointing. It's called MNSD Bookmarks. The very first tab is HMH Ed. Okay, you need to click there and that will bring you to this dashboard. This is the first initial screen that you'll see, and it's usually just a list of assignments that are currently due. You can always click on these purple words to view all of your assignments. But what I wanted to show you today was these other tabs because there's some really cool information you can get from this website. So let's click over here on Discover. Okay, Discover is a tab that allows you to explore the different topics in our curriculum. You'll notice that the program that's set for you is fourth grade, so you may need to toggle to this arrow and update it to this year's curriculum. Okay, so now you can see your chapters and you can actually click on the chapters and explore them. So right now we're on chapter 2, so let's take a look. Great, so when I click on chapter 2, it's actually bringing up your workbook. So you can go through and explore the pages. This is everything you have. So if you're missing your workbook or if you forget to bring it to school or something, you have access to all of the information that would be in your workbook. Okay, let's go back to the Discover tab. X out of there. Okay, great. You actually have access to other resources as well, such as Learn videos, mini games, virtual manipulatives that are available for certain topics. So you can explore those as well on your own. Okay, let's continue to the next tab. This tab is the Assignments tab. So the Assignments tab houses all of the assignments I've given you in math so far. So right now we have to do, we have overdue assignments, and then we have things that are checked off as being done. Okay, they're also tagged with a little half circle if you're in the middle of an assignment, if you've started it and you're just not finished. And then these are your lists of all of your completed assignments, right? Tells you when you've worked on them, when they're due. So that's all housed in the assignment folder. I also wanted to bring your attention to this last folder here. This tab is called Scores. Let's click on that. So here, when you click on this tab, this is great, and this is what I want you to try today, is you can review all of your assignments, and it's color-coded for you. So anything marked green is showing me that you're comprehending that topic, right? So excellent. You can click Review to dig deeper and to see which questions you missed. So I encourage you to do that after each assignment is completed so that you can see if you're missing a certain type of question each time. That way you're prepared for class and you know what you might need help on. Okay? So again, those tabs are the dashboard, which is what you'll start on, the Discover screen, which allows you to access your textbook, but you may need to toggle to fifth grade, assignments, which shows you a handy list of everything that you're working on, and then scores, which allows you to review your work and you can always go back in and take a second look at something. Notice the dates. Some of these are from last year. We don't need to worry about those unless you'd like to review them for fourth grade. If you have any questions about using your math website, please let me know, but I encourage you to use this resource to really help you in math. Thanks, friends. Bye.